There you are. Hey there, sports card fans. So waiting for the camera app to start working. I've got a break for you. It's 2021 Topps Gallery, so it's my last box of 2021 Topps Gallery. Still trying to get Gallery of Heroes inserts. Well, one. Of course, I can't get the plastic open now. Okay. But they are quite rare, so probably a decent chance that I won't get one. Oh my gosh, it's plastic. Okay, here we go. I wanted to use a different app for this, or a different program for this video. The Logitech webcam program. Instead, I'm using the default Windows one, and for some reason, I just installed a Windows update, and I think the Windows update borked the Logitech program because it was only showing black and white video for some reason. Again, I assume it's because of the update. It was fine a few days ago. And for a hot second, I thought, well, I'll do the video with the black and white. Because the focusing, like when I do this on that program, it focuses much better than this one. But then I was like, if I get a neat card, you're going to want to see it in color. So we'll do it with this one, and hopefully the focusing will work. Anyway, pack number 1. Stuff. You can see my Powerball lottery ticket there in the background. I did not win. I actually did just get the Powerball though, so $4 coming my way. Okay, we've got. Oh, let me see about the. Hold on. Gallery of Heroes. The odds. With 1 in 337, so they are quite rare. I don't think they're serial numbered though, so. Okay, we got 2 rookies right off. Derek Jeter, Andrew Benintendi, Brandon Lowe. Those are base cards. But we got Spencer Howard, rookie. And got a rookie parallel, or a parallel rookie, green. Jonathan India, numbered to 125. It's 016 of 125. I don't know if you'll. Oh, wait. Oh, hey, how do you like that? The focus worked. Okay. Proving me wrong. So that green is 1 in 68 packs. Right off the bat. Excuse me. All right. Pack number 2. Now the advantage to this program is, for recording video, is that I can pause this program. The other one I can't pause. So. Freddie Freeman, Mike Piazza, George Springer. Parallel, Cavan Biggio. Parallel is called, I think it's just called foil? Rainbow foil. Rainbow foil. Cavan Biggio. And a rookie, Trevor Rogers. Get my piles correct. Alright. Oh, I'm putting together an order on COMC, trying to complete a bunch of sets that I've had going. Well, one of them I've had going since 2004. 2004 Score Football scorecard numbered to 625. Had that going since 2004. I've got 2007 8 Finest. I completed my blue refractor set. I completed my refractor set, but I have not completed the base set yet. Got one more card to go on that. But there's a bunch of other sets I'm trying to complete also. A bunch of 2017 ones. Baseball. Let me just take a quick look back here on my shelf. Topps Fire, Flame Parallel, Blue Chip Parallel, Gold Minted Parallel, Gypsy Queen Green, Topps Chrome Sepia, just several 2017 sets. So pretty soon I'm going to place the order for that, and when I get the order, I'll probably do a little video on it, although I might not go over every card because there are, well, then again, maybe I will, but there's going to be over 100 cards in that order. Anyway. Oh, hey, cool. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, Michael Conforto. Dylan Carlson, rookie. We've got a green pattern parallel. Ha Seong Kim, rookie. Raphael Devers. And the green pattern parallel is my mom's favorite player growing up, Yogi Berra. There we go. Yogi. And it's 46 of 99, so that's pretty cool. And actually green, oh, how do you like that? The focusing worked again. Green is her favorite color also, so favorite player and favorite color. That's pretty cool. All right, we've got Boo. Fernando Tatis Jr. It wasn't enough that he had multiple car accidents in the off-season. When he was just about ready to come back, he gets suspended for PEDs. So, yeah, awesome. Okay, Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie. Ronald Acuna Jr., Trevor Larnach, rookie. And Max Scherzer. Scherzer. I still. Scherzer. Yeah, Scherzer, right? I see an Aaron Judge card. Okay, Isaac Paredes, rookie. Excuse me. Mike Yastrzemski. We've got an insert, MLB Originals, Babe Ruth. Geraldo or maybe a Geraldo Perdomo, rookie. And Aaron Judge with the swag pose before he hit 62 home runs. I'm super duper excited for next year's baseball stuff because just I want to get a card with Aaron Judge that says 62 home runs on the back. It's going to be so cool. On one hand, as a Yankee fan, I hope he's still with the Yankees next year. But on the other hand, as an Aaron Judge fan, he deserves better than the Yankees because Hal Steinbrenner and Brian Cashman just apparently don't care about winning. So it'd be nice if he could win something. Okay. Jonathan India, rookie. Again, remember we got that numbered parallel of him. Blake Snell, Raphael Devers, rainbow foil. We've got a rookie, Tristan McKenzie, and we got Yu Darvish. Ian Anderson, rookie. Oh, here's the autograph. Okay. Mark Canha. Roy Campanella and Tim Anderson. And the rookie is Jorge Ona. Padres. I guess I'll leave that there. Did I say the rookie? I meant the autograph. Okay, I see a Xander. Sorry, my seat is getting a little uncomfortable. Xander Bogaerts. On the back there. Jake Cronenworth, rookie. Eloy Menez. Okay, Masters of the Craft, and it's Buster Posey. Neat looking card. Eddie Murray and Xander Bogaerts, as I mentioned. Okay, let me see, what were those inserts? What was it? MLB Originals was... Okay, Masters of the Craft is 1 in 18. MLB Originals are also 1 in 18. Okay. I think I need to do some updated videos for the series My Favorite Cards, because most of those videos I did like 8-9 years ago, something like that, and I've gotten a bunch of cards since then, so I think I need to do some new ones, but I will get to that all in good time. Sorry, just fixing my piles here. Okay, Nate Pearson, rookie. Bo Bichette. We have a rookie rainbow foil, Luis Patino. Patino. He's got the accent there on the N. Okay. Ichiro and Christian Yelich. Pack number 9, it looks like. This is going to be a long video. Oops. David Ortiz, Anthony Rizzo. Okay. We've got a rookie, Ryan Mountcastle. Matt Olson. And another rookie, Casey Mize. I think I need to put these piles a little bit further apart because they keep getting screwed up. Ernie Banks, Jesse Winker. Oh, I'm also trying to put together 1993 Flair baseball. That was one of the first premium products that I ever got. It was when I was in the hospital after one surgery. Don't remember which one. Probably back surgery. I'm assuming one of the operations on my spine. So I actually found that box in my parents' place, and the cards were most of the cards were still in the packs. So I took them out and put them in a book back there, and I need to finish up getting the missing ones. Thankfully, that's not too expensive of a set because there weren't really any rookies in it. I got that one going on. I've got 2016, I think. No, 2017, 2018 Donruss Optic. I've got 1996-97 Skybox EX2000. That's gonna be a pretty pricey set. I think I have the Kobe in that already. I might have the Jordan in that, but some of the other cards are a little pricey too. Okay, anyway, Trevor Larnach, rookie rainbow foil. And we got Kevin Gossman and Jesus Sanchez, rookie. Try to speed it up a little because it's getting long now. Ken Griffey Jr., Byron Buxton. We've got an insert modern artists, and it looks like, oh, cool, Pete Alonso. That's neat. I don't have too many cards of him. Ozzy Albies and Logan Gilbert, rookie. So, modern artists, let's see, it's probably 1 in 18, just like all the other ones. No, 1 in 15. Aren't you glad I checked? Okay. Andrew Vaughn, rookie. Bryce Harper. We got a rainbow foil, Kyle Lewis. We got Julio Urias and Sam Huff, rookie. All right, pack number something or other, probably 12 or 13. Brady Singer, rookie. Nolan Arenado. Kind of wish the Yankees had gotten him. Alex Bohm, rookie. That's a pretty good one. He was really good in the playoffs this year. Randy Arozarena. Love his name. Christian Patch, Pache, rookie. Excuse me. Pax, why are you so difficult to open? Trea Turner. We've got a Taylor Trammell, rookie. We've got a Max Scherzer rainbow foil. Oh my god, I keep dropping. I got the dropsies. Giancarlo Stanton and Ozzie Smith. Okay, pack, looks like pack number 16. Yes, pack number 16. Got another Yankee, Gleyber Torres. Braylon Marquez, rookie. We've got this looks like Devers, yeah. Next wave, insert Rafael Devers. Francisco Lindor. And another Yankee, Mariano Rivera. So next wave. What was it? Yeah. Also 1 in 15 packs. Andrew McCutcheon. We've got a Joe Adele rookie. We've got the other autograph from the box. Jose Devers, Marlins. He looks like he's like 14 years old. The focusing works now. How about it? I wonder if the update fixed this app and borked the other one, I guess. Oh, he was signed by the Yankees, but traded to the Marlins. He's 23. Wow. Okay. Albert Pujols. David Wright. David Wright? Oh, right. This does have retired players. Durr. Yeah, with Ernie Banks and Babe Ruth in there. And Kirby Puckett now. Okay, Pete Alonso. Stan Musial. Jacob deGrom. Jose Altuve. Kirby Puckett. Wow, so... No, I guess that's the first pack with no rookies. Oh, that makes it quick. Okay, pack 19. Not too bad on the time. A little more than a minute per pack. Plus I did a lot of talking before I even started. Ricky Henderson, Walker Buehler. We've got a rainbow foil of Willie Mays. Miguel Cabrera and Manny Ramirez. Right, last pack. Sadly, no Gallery of Heroes. What did I say? There were 1 in 337? 1 in 3 for 35. Where is it? You'd think they would do these on the back in, yeah, 337 in alphabetical order. Okay, Robin Yount, Trevor Story. We have another insert, so I got 2 of these 1 in 18 packers in the box. MLB Originals, Griffey. That's neat. Javier Baez and Hank Aaron. Okay, so let me just do a little recap, and then we'll end this obnoxiously long video. We've got non-parallel rookies, non-parallel, non-autograph rookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So slightly more than 1 per pack. But then we had 2 parallel rookies. Oh, I'm sorry, no, 3. 2 rainbow foil and then the 1 green. And then we had, so that's, what did I say, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 rookies total if you count the autographs and the parallels. Then we had the Yogi Berra green pattern parallel, numbered to 99. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rainbow foil non-rookie parallels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inserts, including 2 of the MLB Originals, which were 1 in 18 packs. And just real quick, I'm going to check the stack of base cards and make sure I didn't miss anything. And I'm back. Did not miss anything in the stack of base cards. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Be sure to stay safe out there. Check me out on Patreon. Drop me a like. Give me a comment. All that good stuff.